Award for outstanding performance across all spheres, and this award goes to Ms. Surbhi Mittal. So congratulations to our shining stars. The toppers of all departments are kindly requested to go at the media session for the interviews. Your interviews are awaited there.
Got Excellence Award in Extracurricular Activities. Congratulations, Ananya. From Fashion Design Department, Batch 2021, Divya Chawla is getting Excellence Award in Earn While You Learn category. All the graduating students, it's your duty to encourage your juniors. Muskan Khandelwal from the same batch is getting Excellence Award in Earn While You Learn category. Congratulations, Muskan. Now, from School of Journalism and Mass Media, Miss Anushka Dhaka, BMM Batch 2021 is getting award for the excellence performance in extracurricular activities. Kriti Sinha, BMM 2021 Excellence Award in Earn While You Learn category. Congratulations, Kriti. And now, Suhani Bakshi, again Earn While You Learn category from BMM 2021 batch. Congratulations all the awardees. Thank you so much all the dignitaries. Please have your seat.
First with mask, the second one without mask. Better with mask. This is the first photograph.
Synchronized प्रोसेशन के लिए, खूबसूरत रंगोली के लिए, सुरीली आवाज़ में गाने गाने के लिए सारे वॉलंटियर्स का और जो बच्चे यहाँ पे काम कर रहे थे उन सब के लिए ज़ोरदार तालियाँ. थैंक यू सो मच किड्स.
Satyam Group of Institution, I would like to thank our chief guest, Dr. Meena Putte ma'am, for taking her precious time out and consenting to be the chief guest. Ma'am, we are thankful to you to accept our invitation and share your knowledge with our students. Ma'am mentioned that if you want to be a teacher or the employee in any organization, you have to be very dedicated and you have to think how you can achieve your goal. Thank you, ma'am. An event such magnitude does not come together overnight. It requires meticulous planning and execution with an eye for details. In this regard, we are thankful to our chairperson, ma'am, for her support, guidance, and motivation. I extend my thanks to our secretary, sir, and management who provide their continuous support and motivation to work in a different way. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank to Amar Ujala, Dainik Jagran, Heng, Hindustan Times, Jan Sagar for their presence to news coverage. Thank you, media persons, to be here. Now, I extended my thanks to all the parents who are present here. Thank you so much. We have been fortunate enough to assisted by the principals, Dr. Vinita Agrawal and Dr. Vandana Jagnan, for giving us valuable guidance and motivation. I would like to thank Dean SJMC, HOD SFI, Program Head SJMC, Sharma sir, Pramod sir and Lalit ji, Rawat ji for their support. Over the year, we have fortunate enough to be backed by the team of very motivated, dedicated and qualified teachers. Without their support and initiative, this type of event cannot take place. I appreciate each and every faculty of the institution for their hard work and support. Thank you so much, all the faculty members, to work as a pillar of the to make this program successful. Thank you once again for each and everyone for their support and motivation and guidance about the successful completion of the program. Once again, congratulations to each and every students who are graduating today. Thank you.
Intense coordination and cooperation. These efforts should be duly acknowledged. The graduation ceremony of Batch 2020. It takes immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks to one and all on behalf of Satyam Group of Institutions and Satyam Fashion Institute. Our special thanks to Chief Guest of the grand ceremony, Dr. Meena Prakash Kute ma'am, for her dynamic presence to encourage our students. Thank you so much, ma'am. I would also like to thank the chairperson, Mrs. Sneh Singh ma'am, and secretary, Mr. Pradeep Gupta sir of Satyam Group of Institutions for their tremendous support and valuable guidance. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir. My gratitude towards the principal of Satyam Fashion Institute, Dr. Vandana Jaglan, and Satyam College of Education, Dr. Binita Agarwal ma'am, for their support to the entire team and students. I express my heartfelt gratitude to all the trustees and their families. As we can realize, this COVID-19 has been a very challenging phase for all of us. Nevertheless, we have worked for the solution and also for the planning for the future activities which best serve our students and allow our faculties to deliver their lectures in a meaningful way. Thank you to all the faculty members of SFI and SJMC, Dean Mr. Alam sir and Priyanka Sarkar, Priyanka Sarkar, Program Head of SJMC and SC team members. We abound with the feeling of gratification to mention that everyone in the SFI team has dealt with the unpredictably crucial COVID-19 phase with optimism and enthusiasm with the support of Satyam Group of Institution Management, SNDT University, SFI teamwork, parents, students and industry. We are very grateful to the entire team, faculty members, admin staff and Satyam family members. Thank you to everyone. You are the pillars behind every successful event. It was your collective efforts which gave momentum to the excellence of today's graduation ceremony. It gives us immense pleasure in helping students to discover their aim in life, since we deem our student success as our success. We have much to take pride in the success stories of our alumni, as they have helped their juniors by taking their knowledgeable lectures and workshop sessions and industry-sponsored projects, and today they all are with us for their graduation ceremony. I congratulate all the graduating students and toppers and wish you good luck for the great journey ahead. My special congratulations to those students who have got the awards for their outstanding performance in extracurricular activities, and special thanks to the management to encourage our students so that they can set an example for all these students. Thank you so much, sir and ma'am. I also acknowledge the warm presence of representatives from the media and all the parents who are present today. Calls for appreciation as they have traveled great distances to come and adorn this memorable day. Hint: Amar Ujala, Jansagar, Dainik Jagran and Hindustan. I would like to give our special thanks to our chief guest ma'am, Dr. Meena ma'am, for their giving her valuable time for SCE and SFI graduation ceremony. Thank you so much ma'am, and thank you everyone. Thank you.
जरा प्रहार कर, कल्पना की शक्तियों को आज तू स्वीकार कर। तुझी में है वो शक्तियाँ, तुझी में है वो भक्तियाँ, श्रेष्ठ है तू सर्वदा, इस बात को स्वीकार कर। तू उठ जरा प्रहार कर, तू उठ जरा प्रहार कर। भविष्य को संभाल कर, तू भूत का संहार कर। तू उठ जरा प्रहार कर, तू उठ जरा प्रहार कर। इन्हीं वक्तव्यों के साथ आज का ये दीक्षांत समारोह हम समापन की ओर ले जाते हैं और मैं आपकी उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूँ। शुक्रिया।
Institutions to gather at the photo point for the group photograph. So kindly assemble at the photo point for the group photograph.